You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to save plotted graph as an image in Python so that we can carry this image from one computer to another computer. Let's start. First of all, we will import our package, that is matplotlib.pyplot for the drawing of graph. Here we will draw a basic bar chart and then we will save this bar chart as an image. Here in first command we will set the title of our chart by using command .title. Next I will create two lists. First list will show x direction and second list will show y direction. In first list we will include number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in second list, that is B list, I will double all the number given in A list. Now I will create the bar chart by using command .bar plt .bar parenthesis then body list A, B. Now I will draw the bar plt .draw and then I will show the graph by using command .show. Next I will save this graph as an image in the folder where source code file is stored. Here I will use command save fig command. Here I am saving the image as an JPG. We have completed the program. Now we will run the program. It just draw a bar chart and it is also save this image. This is the bar image on top. This is the bar image, but it is blank. The reason behind it is that when we show the graph, it just erase the graph from the memory, then show the graph. Here we are saving the graph after the show. Because of this, our image is blank. Now we will save the image before show and run the program. Now again we will check our bar image and now it is not blank. You can see the graph here as an JPG image. Now we will save our image as .png image. You cannot save this image as GIF or BMP. There are some fixed formats, but it supports PNG. This is another PNG image. Now we will save our graph as a PDF document. So here we will write the .pdf extension after the image name and run the program. This is the PDF format. Now we will try to save the image as a bitmap image, means .bmp, and then run the program. Now you see that it is generating error and it is showing the format that it support. It support EPS format, JPG format, PDF format, PNG format, RAW format, SVG, SVGZ, TIF, TIFF format. It means it does not support GIF format and BMP format, and always save the figure before show. Otherwise you will get blank image. Now I will try to save the image to a particular memory location. Here I will use the path. You can use path also here. Here I am using double slash that will overload the special meaning of slash. Now we will run the program and check our folder config. Here this is the bar image that we saved by using path in dot save figure command. This is the video for saving our image permanently in computer. Thank you.